Hey, what is going on, everyone? Hope all you guys are doing well, and happy Friday to each and every one of you. If you guys are not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys are going to be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. And you know I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy right here on YouTube, just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about e-estate. I've been part of e-estate since 2025 of October, and it has been a blessing. Okay, I earn over $20 a day. Some days maybe 19, but for the past so far this month has been awesome, right? So today I'm up $18.04. I have other properties that's going to be generating some income throughout later on the day, right? So I'm up $18.04. And you got to ask yourself this, guys. If you put your money in the banking system, they're not giving you this. They're giving you pennies on a dollar APY, annual percentage yield. They're giving you peanuts on your money. All right, so bear that in mind. And over here in e-estate, you have real properties that you're earning real income from. These are not fantasy properties, guys. These are real properties that you can earn passive income on. This is the new way of where things are shifting in the real estate space. All right, the traditional way of doing things in real estate, that is slowly fading out. The tokenized way is the future of where things are shifting. All right, and this is a global opportunity. This is not just only here in the States. This is a global opportunity, so everyone has equal access. You can get started for as low as $10 to purchase your first fractional share of a property. Okay, just think of your stocks. You earn fractional shares in stocks, right? You're earning income dividends. Over here in e-estate, you're earning dividends on the rental properties that is producing, and is much more higher than your stocks. This outbeats the stock market by far. This outbeats your 401k. All right, this outbeats your high yield savings accounts, right? This outbeats all three of them combined. All right, and I like to be transparent and show you guys as well. So right now I crossed over $2,500, guys, since I've been a part of this e-estate journey. Okay, I have $3,915.66 invested, and I've earned over $2,500. Let that sink in, guys. All right, if you put $3,900, the same amount that I have invested in e-estate, into your bank account, do you think the banking system will give you a total of $2,500 on your money? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So this is the breakdown. All right, and I have a villa. I just crossed over $2,000 in the villa, guys. All right, Miami property I have, apartment property I have, and then that property, guys, the apartment property, I'm going to show you guys something. This has been going on. Let me show you guys something real quick. Now the property, I'm here, I'm going to break the news to you. The property over the apartments, right? It's sold out. It's sold out. And I own a fractional share of that property. Okay? The house property is sold out. I own a fractional share of that. So this is what I'm saying, guys. take action on the opportunities that is laid out in front of you. Where things is being tokenized right now in real estate, this is going to create multimillionaires and billionaires for years to come. Okay, they're saying on the trajectory by 2030, this is going to reach over $1 trillion market cap in real estate tokenization. So the time is now. Position yourself now to get started. Don't wait until the gold rush has passed by and to get on board, right? This is the time to position yourself now. Plant the seeds now, because years from now, you'll be able to thank me later and looking back on this video and say, I'm glad I did, instead of saying, man, I wish I could have, should have, would have. You won't have those type of thoughts. You'll say, hey, I'm so forever grateful that I came across this amazing video that enlightened me about real estate tokenization and how I can position myself to get to be in a great financial position for years to come, right? Whoever wants financial freedom, you're getting it here at eEstate. All right. So for those who's ready to take action, and you can get started for as low as $10, all right, on a piece of a share of our Miami property, right? As you guys can see, $10, right? And I was in the same building of the location of where they did the Miami event back in January 31st, guys. All right. So take action on it as well. See, $10. You can't do much with $10, guys. All right. $100, 42 cents. $1,000, you're making $88 a month. 10,000, you're making around $800 a month, and your total profit is $15,876, and your break-even point is at 11 months, guys. 11 months is your break-even point. All right. So go to the link in the description right below this video. Click on the link. Once you click on the link, guys, you're gonna put your name and email address. Once you do that, you're gonna get a verification email right away. Click on verify email. Once you do that, it's gonna bring you to the secondary page. All right, you're gonna watch the first video, which is the webinar. Watch the full video. I will highly recommend watching the webinar video at least 2 times, because sometimes you'll watch it the first time, you may not gravitate it on the first time, but the second time and third time, you'll be able to have a full understanding on how eEstate works and how eEstate makes money. All right, and how you will be making money once you take action. Once you watch the full webinar, there's videos right below the full webinar, and it's gonna guide you step by step on the onboarding process, how to sign up, what exchange to use. All right, after registering with that exchange, the recommended exchange, and then from there, how to buy the cryptocurrency. All right, once you do that, how to fund your account, register, how to fund your account, everything step by step. Once you follow everything step by step, you'll be good to go. All right, there's no confusion here. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out to me. All right, I'll be able to answer any questions you may have. All right, and I'm gonna show you the property I wanted to get, but unfortunately this property sold out. That's a commercial property. This commercial property was at 10,000. This was a good investment. Good investment, guys. Right? And as you can see, it's sold out. Sold out, unfortunately, right? All the folks who purchase this, they're in good hands, right? And there's other properties, right? There's a newest property is the villa in Hawaii. Okay. That minimum investment is $49.50, almost $5,000. Your projection is around $30.20 per day, and per month is $634.20 per month. Now your break-even point is 7 months, which is not bad at all. That's very good. And your total profit is $11,415.60. All right. Now, there's two income phase model with estate. The first phase is 18 months. That's the aggressive phase. After the 18 months is over, you will earn a dividend income of 10% a year. That is huge, right? That alone, that beats the stock market. That beats your S&P 500, right? That beats a lot of things, right? Instead of having your money in the high yield savings account, you can have your money here growing on a consistent basis. All right, like what my money is doing for me. All right, so and they're the highest property. I believe the highest property is the business property, right? And the business property, the minimum investment is $255,000. That is life-changing income, guys, right? Put yourself in this. Imagine you buying a house for $255,000, like a rental property, for instance, right? For a rental, you want to make money. You know, average home is, you know, depending on where you at, is in the six figures, right? So say, for instance, is the same amount of the business development property, $255,700, right? You invest it into a rent. You want to turn it to make rental income. You will not make your money back. Sometimes it'll take 5 to 10 years to be broken even on the property, right? Your break-even point through tokenization is 5 months. Your projection is 2301 every single day, Monday through Friday. And your projection per month is $48,326. $27.30, right? So the money the smart person would do if they had $250,000, right? Right? This is no financial advice here. The smart thing to do is you put $250,000 here. Now your money is making you over $40,000 plus per month. Now you withdraw the profits. Now with the profits within 5 months, you're already broken even. You got your $255,700 investment back. Now you can use that to buy a rental property. Now that same investment of your $255,700 is working for you on estate. The other money, your money you just made back within 5 months, your break-even point, you can use that for something else. It's up to you. That's the decision you have to make. And your total profit throughout that duration of the 18 months is $869,891.40. That is huge, guys. Huge, huge, huge. All right. So I appreciate you guys are following this video to the very end. All right. You guys see the amazing property. This property is out in Dubai. All right. The average profit per day is 0.8 to 1% a day on this property. All right. So I appreciate you guys are tuning in and watching this video. Don't forget to take action. For those who's ready to get started, take action. Watch the video first. All right. And you're going to get some clarity. You're going to get a full understanding on how everything works. Don't forget to follow, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. I see you guys in the next video. Peace out.